Charcuterie picnic. Hi, Yale. All right, we've got big A and little A. All right, we're looking for big A and little A. Come over here. What's that?
Big A.
Little A. Check in your shopping cart. Come here. What is it? It's big A. Yes, that's big A. Good job. Come here, there's something on the counter. Come here, there's something on the counter. What is it?
What A?
Good job. All right, trying to print these turkey printouts to color, but of course it says this is offline, so trying to fix that. What the heck? Come on, printer. He's having trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi. I wish there was just a way to connect my phone to the printer and just have it print like that. And use cellular data. All right, so we're gonna be chopping up an apple, and then we're going to be making the apple slices into little, actually big A's. Just gonna be slicing it very thin so we can make the legs of the A's. And we can do half like that. So it'll be like one like that. And the little pieces will go across. We can go like that. All right, we're gonna be making the letter A with the apples. Ah. Apple, yeah. That's good. Apple. Good job. All right, come on. Wanna give it a try? That is so good! Yay! Excellent! And then the right one, he did all by himself. All right, so you got the hammer, and we got these used containers that I taped to there. There you go. Oopsies. Hold on. All right, good. Good. You gotta try to hit the thing. All right, you try. Good, try to hammer it. Apparently these things are really solid. I didn't realize this. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. I just have to stick them better to the thing. Perfect. All right, how tall is it? How tall is it, buddy? You gotta pull it up a little bit. Here, pull it up higher. Pull it up higher. Pull it up higher. It's gotta touch the ground exactly. Okay, so I Gorilla Glued these onto here. I'm gonna put something on top for, it's supposed to be for 2 hours, and then they'll be able to hammer. All right, so it's turkey week, and for lunch we've got some turkey breast, we've got some cheese, we've got some cranberry chutney jelly to put on top, or yellow mustard, and I'm gonna help the kids make some sandwiches. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna put one piece of turkey on each slice, and we'll put one piece of cheese. Okay, buddy?
Baby.
Okay, perfect. Good job. You did it. You just made your first sandwich. Good job, buddy. Okay, so I got this idea on Instagram. So I Gorilla Glued, and they're drying right now, these little cut up like fake leaf things to this glove, plastic glove. I cut a hole through this plastic cup cup and it's like a straw through it. And then once this dries, I'm gonna put this around here and then the kids can blow it up and it's like a little turkey thing. All right, so I got this idea from Keto Snacks on Instagram. So we already had one apple today cut up. This is gonna be a second one that I cut up. And I stagger them like a little bit. So I cover them with Brad's Organic Smooth Peanut Butter. And then I'm gonna melt, and then I'm gonna melt this chocolate and then drip that over it. So you do like them, okay, good. All right, well I'm gonna melt it now and put it over these. You're gonna like it. And then we're gonna freeze them. Uh-oh. All right, put it in the freezer. All right, it's almost ready, but I think we're gonna have a bite now. This is what I've been trying to print, but I can't seem to get the printer to work. Wow, turkey! All right, go ahead and try it. Yeah, see, they're like indestructible. Just be gentle, okay? There you go. Nice. Yay, turkey! Yeah. Wow. Photo arrangement of the day. Very impressive. Such a beautiful fall day. All right, so we got a lot of food donations going out to the food pantry for Thanksgiving. I'm the founder of the Pioneer Volunteer, so I'm going to be giving out some food donations to the food pantry that I'm going to be bringing over. So I'm going to be labeling them. I'm trying my best to make a turkey here. You wanna try it? Good job! You're so smart! Got acorn?
Baby, this is for a big
That's a big one right there. Anybody know what this purple plant is? Leave me a comment if you know what this is. It's like something from Dr. Seuss. All right, we're trying Madalena's award-winning apple crumble pie. So we'll see how it turns out. All right, so we're not hosting this year for Thanksgiving, so we're just gonna be bringing dessert. So we've got the apple pie that I picked up, and then I also have the pumpkin pie that I made. So we're excited for super easy Thanksgiving, and we're excited to eat. Elmo's best Thanksgiving ever. Thanksgiving. All right, squirrel's busy day. It was fall, so Squirrel decided to spend the day collecting acorns. All right, can you tell me what you're thankful for? I'm thankful for being able to stay home with you guys and for Daddy working so hard. Happy Thanksgiving.